Hello, good afternoon, my viewers. I'm doing this video to narrate some few things that occur over the night, and it's something I've been planning to do all this while, but I find no reason to do it because the person concerned is someone that can cope with the condition. So I found out that every few minutes my daughter keeps waking up, and I being the reason because I snore. So I do snore, and the snore wakes her up, and the mother will have to keep her breastfeeding her just to make her sleep again. And after she slept, then I wake her up again. So the thing keep repeating itself. So and I've been planning to do a sleep apnea appliance for myself, just to reduce to stop this snoring habit, and I've been procrastinating it for a while now, and I think it's high time for me to do the appliance. And during the process, I might do short videos of I taking my impression. I'll take my impression by myself, and I'll do the maybe the pictures of all these faces and steps I'm going to use to construct the sleep apnea appliance. So that is just the gist, it's just short clips. Thank you. Thanks for viewing my last video, and try to comment and share. Thank you so much. Bye.